Hey guys, how's it going? I want to do a quick review of these Thursday boots that I bought. I've had them for almost exactly a year. I'm like a week short of a year. Um, I know this is normally a guitar teaching channel, and I don't want this to be all about reviews, especially things that aren't guitar. But I do mostly country songs, and I feel like boots are very country, so I wanted to do it. Let me know what you guys think. If you are like, hey, stay away from the review stuff, just let me know in the comments. Or if you think it's cool when I do them every once in a while, let me know. I'm going to tell you the things I love about these boots and the things I hate about these boots. All right, I know some people say hate's a strong word, but I'm going to say not strong enough. I'm just kidding. It's not. I don't know that I really hate them, but anything about them, and I do love them overall. But I'm going to let you know. I'm going to be straight up honest with you. Okay, so these are the Thursday President Tobacco boots. So that's the color is tobacco. All right. I have not. You can see like I've got a little bit scuffed and stuff. I don't wear them all the time. I do wear them like when I go on dates. If there's a girl I'm really jazzed about, I'll wear them. But I don't wear them every day by any means. So you can see just a little bit of scuffing, but nothing crazy. They're super high quality, and they better be because after tax they were like 240 bucks. So we'll get into that. So the things I love about them, I think they look awesome. All right, these like I don't know that I've ever seen a better looking boot. All right, they look awesome. They're super high quality. They like I said, I mean, you can see a little bit of like scuffing, but like I could wipe that off easy. I just don't do it because I like them to look a little bit rough. This is what the bottom looks like too on there. Got a little smiley face down here. That makes it look easier. So yeah, they're awesome boots. They look great. They're super reliable. They're waterproof. I live in the West where it doesn't rain a ton, but when it does rain, it's like, you know, there's just puddles everywhere and stuff. And it's really nice to just be able to walk through them. I mean, I've worn these in snow, like deep snow, and I don't feel any water. I've walked through puddles with them and everything. I don't, and pouring rain. My socks never get wet. My feet don't feel cold. They are awesome for that. Okay, so I do love these boots for those reasons. Also, like I said, you could wear these to like a higher class event. You can wear them like casually, whatever. So I love them for those reasons. The things that I really don't like, I would maybe say hate, but really, I mean, sometimes I do hate this part of it. So they are expensive, but that to me isn't that big of a deal because if you're going to get these boots, you're probably going to wear them for like 5 years or 10 years, right? Because they last a long time. So unless you're wearing them every day, which I wouldn't recommend, and I wouldn't recommend that with any boot. Or shoe, because they'll just wear out way faster. But if you like boots that last a long time, it's worth it to spend 240 bucks. So that's it. It is a drawback because you have to have that money in the first place, but it's not like a reason not to get them unless if you can actually afford it. Normally, I would never spend that much on a pair of shoes or on a boot, but I just think that they look so good and that they last for so long that you'll get that use out of it. So the things that I really hate are they're comfortable, but not like but not for very long. So like I said, I've had them for almost a year. I can't wear these boots. I haven't put any add-ons in them. I know some people say, oh, you should put these inserts in them or different things. I haven't done any of that stuff, and they're fine in short distances. I go country dancing a lot, and I have these huge blisters, like just above my heel, on both feet when I wear these. So I don't wear them anymore when I go country dancing for that reason. So they're not something like that. They're not, and maybe that's a stupid thing, right? Maybe you guys are like, oh, you shouldn't even consider that, but like. I have other boots that I wear for a lot of stuff that are kind of like this, and I love wearing them country dancing. So, I do think that's a fair assessment, a fair thing to say about them. Also, I wouldn't recommend wearing these on any kind of like hike unless you're going like super short or like a long walk because it just rips up the back of my foot if I do that. Now again, if I'm doing a shorter distance thing, it's no problem. I love it, right? It's like if I have a date and it's raining outside or anything, like I'll absolutely wear these, and have no problem with it. The other thing too, these are not going to be, at least for me, they're not going to be slip on and slip off at all. Well, they are slip off pretty easily because I don't tie up the top two parts. I used to, but I don't anymore. I just like it better like that. I can slip them off super easily, but it takes me like 2 or 3 minutes to put them on because I then have to untie them and then tie them again to put them on. So that's the only that's another thing that I don't love. So, but that's really it. I mean, would I recommend getting these? Yeah, I totally would. I really like them. I do wish that they could be more comfortable for like longer distances and for like country dancing or something like that. Yeah, that's really it. That's the only thing I would say. I mean, I wish they were $100 boots instead of $240 after taxes, but at the same time, like, you get what you pay for, and these really are awesome looking. They stand up really well. I mean, I wear these in pretty rough conditions a lot of the time, and you can see like there's no wear and tear on the bottom at all or anything. I'm going to show you. I've got one of my other on my foot already. So this is how good I think that they look, or this is just how it actually looks. So you can see like that's how it looks under my jeans. You can they'll roll up their pant leg a little bit. I don't like that look, at least not on me. So I haven't done that, but let me know what you guys think. If this makes you have any desire to get them, or if you're like, hey Blaze, stick to guitar stuff, stick to music, kind of thing. But I thought this was kind of country, and so I thought I would include it. So let me know what you guys think. And if you have any questions, if you want me to do more reviews, if you want me to get it completely away from reviews, stuff like that. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.